Hey guys, recently we advertised that we can sharpen the harpoon tips and bought a couple cheap tips from Amazon. These are Danielson tips. They're about 16 bucks a piece on Amazon.com. They're halibut harpoon replacement tips. It's the same size, the same type harpoon tip that we use for swordfish down here in South Florida. And this pretty much used widely throughout all types of fishing, including obviously halibut. These are stainless steel tips. The brass tips are more common. They come with a decent edge from factory, but this tip is brand new out of the package and never been used or sharpened yet. We're gonna put an edge on it and show you guys how we sharpen it. It'll not have a hair popping edge like we do with some of the knives, but it'll definitely be knife sharp, which right now it's completely dull, and it'll have a nice point to it. Stock tip like this will go through a fish just fine, but some guys out there like to have them sharpened, and we offer the service. So we'll show you how we can sharpen the tip and what the finished product looks like.